My name is Kristen and I'm from the MOBAC Technology Committee. I am going to show you how to set up our cameras so that you can use to record your workshops. So let's start with the tripod. And the first thing you want to do is unlock all of the legs so that they can open. And then re-lock them. You can bring it to your desired height.
And lock it with the collar.
And then lock it with this ring. So next we'll set up the camera. You pull this back, set it in, and then lock it. And you take this cord, you plug this into the back, and then there's a little flap that you can open and plug it into the red hole. This will help with sound. Since our workshops tend to be longer, you will want to plug in the battery pack for the camera itself. That goes here on the other side. If you're going to use a wireless mic, you will want to use the audio receiver. So you take these larger cables, plug one into the back, this one into the side. And you want to make sure that the two sides match. Okay. And if you are using the wireless mic, you want to make sure that you put in a fresh 9-volt battery so that it will work. And the power button is there. This microphone will not project sound, but it does capture sound and improves the recording of our videos.